Lapha ke msakethu nobhala ke we-ANC ubaba ke ufikile uMbalula esho khona ke ukuthi ke ngeke neze beze bamnaka ubaba ke Jacob Zuma wabe ke ilunga le-ANC futhi umongameli we-ANC njengoba ke uZuma efuna ke ubulungu bakhe beqembu ke buyiselwe ke bubike ngokusemthethweni. Uthi uZuma ke ANC ke yamxosha ke ngongakho emthethweni. uMbalula uthi ke uZuma ke ulinda ke ikhathi ke enomgqiqo ebese ke inyakaza kodwa ke uthi uZuma ke kumqambi manga futhi ke uZuma uyakuthanda ukunaka. Uthi ke ngeke baze bayihlupha ngokuthi ke baze bamphendule. Buka ke nansi inkulumo yakhe afikile uMbalula.
Well, Zuma's letter is mischief. It's because he was engaged by the organization at various levels. And in terms of the ANC constitution as its guidance, we have acted on Zuma. He's not a member. So we're following that process. And that's what, and we are not going to respond to any other thing because it seeks to divert us from this occasion of 113th year. He had an opportunity to send his love letter many days ago. He didn't, but he chose this day. That's how he works. That's how he operates. And who basically thrive on disunity for his own self-interest. That's what he does. He doesn't serve South Africa. He doesn't serve the ANC. He doesn't serve our people. He serves himself. Himself and only himself. That's what he is. And his days of misleading our people are numbered because they will see him for who he is. Right from that nom Gogwana he has created. They will see him. He's a liar. He's unreliable. He only serves himself. Friend to himself. And the ANC will treat him with the same intensity he is going forward. So there's nothing to respond to that letter. He must take us to court. He must do whatever he thinks is of importance. We plan. We have followed the constitution to the last. We'll defend our movement.